Are you kidding me? This mountain looks higher than my cholesterol level. No mountain is too high for my muscles. Let's get this heavy boy to the top. Gong, gong! Why is this safe pushing me back? I think it's alive. Work smarter, not harder, fat cat. Just follow my lead. Hurry up, boys. The treasure inside this safe needs to be delivered before sunset. Oh no! Gravity is cheating again! Stop the world! I want to get off! Wait! Is that a giant safe chasing me? This job is way too dangerous! Not on my watch. Gong, gong. Feel the power of absolute resistance. Wow, your biceps are better than a sports car's brake system. Teach me that. The storm is coming. Use the safe as a shield and move up immediately. This safe is the best umbrella ever. Good job, big steel block. I agree. Now how do we get inside? Look! A rainbow! Does that mean there's a giant box of tuna at the end? I am officially out of battery. My legs are melting into the mud. Acupuncture session starts now. Push it, mouse, yeah! It tickles so much! Infinite IQ play. The belly logistics is working perfectly. We finally made it to the top. Where is my legendary reward? Impressive timing, team. Let's unlock the mystery package inside. Oh my God! It's a gold mine of premium tuna! Best day ever! Next time, can we just order a helicopter delivery, Coach Tiger? Good job. Tomorrow, get ready for a new challenge, deep space exploration.